Hello, everyone. When we first join a company and sit at our desk, the first thing we do is organize our workspace and set up our computer. The same goes for Excel. When using Excel in a professional setting, it's important to be familiar with functions and features, but it's also crucial to configure Excel to suit your needs, as it will be frequently used. In today's lecture, we'll look at 4 essential Excel environment settings that are necessary and helpful in the workplace. The first is setting the default font for documents. From Excel 2010 onwards, the default font is Calibri. Some companies use a custom font created by the company as the default font. In such cases, you need to change the default font. Changing the font is very simple. If you want to change the font just once, click on the cell with the value, go to the Home tab, and select the desired font to easily change it. If you need to change the default font set in Excel, go to the File tab, then Options. In the General tab, you can change the default font and font size under When creating new workbooks, so the default font is set when you create a new workbook. The second is the Autosave setting. When using Excel or other Office programs, unexpected errors can occur, causing files to close suddenly. If you haven't saved the file in the meantime, you may not be able to recover the work you've done, which can be frustrating. Nowadays, programs have advanced significantly, and in most cases, auto-recovery files are generated well. However, to prepare for unexpected situations, you can also set the autosave interval. Go to File, then Options, and move to the Save tab. In the middle, you'll find Save Auto Recover Information Every, where the default interval is 10 minutes, but you can set the customized time for safer file management. You can also check the location of automatically saved files below. If a document that closed suddenly was never saved, you cannot find it in the Auto Recovery file location. In such cases, go to the File tab, then Open, and you'll see a button at the bottom called Recover Unsaved Workbooks. Click this button to check the recovered file if a document that was never saved closed suddenly. Next is the Hyperlink setting. When using Excel, entering an email address or website address can change the text to blue, which can be inconvenient. This feature is called a hyperlink. Clicking the changed value allows you to send an email immediately or go directly to the website, which is very convenient. But it can be somewhat inconvenient for document management because it changes to a link format. Therefore, it's a feature not often used in practice, and you can easily change it in the settings. Go to the File tab, then Options, and move to the Proofing tab. On the right, you'll see the Autocorrect Options button. Click this button, then go to the Auto Format as you type tab, and uncheck the Internet and Network Paths with Hyperlinks option. Click OK to finish, and from now on, entering an email address or website address will not change it to a hyperlink. Lastly, there's a convenient way to enter special symbols. This setting is especially useful if you write a lot of reports in Excel, so it's good to remember. In Word, you can easily insert headers like this, entering Topic 1, Topic 2, etc. However, Excel doesn't have this feature, so you have to enter special symbols one by one. In such cases, you can use the autocorrect symbols I'm introducing now. For example, I set it so that entering a circle and 1 gives a circle symbol, entering square and typing star gives a start symbol. The method is very simple. Go to File, then Options, and move to Proofing, then Autocorrect Options. In the Autocorrect tab, you'll see Input and Result below. Let's add a star symbol this time. Enter the square symbol and letter S in the Replace field, and in the With field, enter the star symbol and press the OK button. You can bring the special characters by pressing the window and dot keys from the keyboard. Now go to Excel, enter a square symbol, and type the letter S, and press space to see the star symbol appear. Similarly, you can assign as many symbols as you want to make your work easier.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. See you in the next episode.